What is the importance of tolerance in engineering? Engineering tolerance is the permissible variation in measurements deriving from the base measurements. The perfect answer for this particular question would be: you cannot design any product without tolerance. It increases the chances of rejection rate and overall product cost. You utilize tolerance in part dimension to reduce cost and facilitate the manufacturer. What is a universal coupling? A universal joint is a joint or coupling connecting rigid rods whose axes are inclined to each other and is commonly used in shafts that transmit a rotary motion. It consists of a pair of hinges located close together, oriented at 90 degrees to each other, connected by a cross shaft. So the answer for this particular question would be: universal coupling is used to connect two shafts whose axes are inclined to each other. It consists of a pair of hinges connected by a cross shaft. What does angular momentum mean? In physics, angular momentum is the rotational equivalent of linear momentum. It is an important quantity in physics because it is a conserved quantity. The total angular momentum of a closed system remains constant. And this is what the conservation of angular momentum theory is. So the answer to this particular question would be: angular momentum is an expression of an object mass and rotational speed. Momentum is the velocity of an object times its mass, or how fast something is moving, how much it weighs. Therefore, angular momentum is the object's mass times the angular velocity, where angular velocity is how fast something is rotating, expressed in terms like RPS or revolution per minute or revolution per second. What is spring constant? The spring constant, which is denoted by K, is the representative of how stiff the spring is. The displacement of an object is a distance measurement that describes that change from the normal or equilibrium position. The perfect answer for this question would be: spring constant, which is denoted by K, is given by minus F by X. Here F is the force and X is the displacement. The unit of the spring constant is Newton per meter. Every spring has its own spring constant, which is a measure of its stiffness and strength.